Hi, I'm Dorian from Dorian Think to Success. In this video, I just want to do a update because the DVSA have just released some news about the driving test and theory test from tomorrow onwards. So from the 1st of March onwards, I'm going to jump onto my desktop so you can see the email as I go through it briefly. So as you can see, they're lifting the COVID-19 restrictions for driving tests and theory tests from tomorrow, 1st of March. I'll just go to the main bits. Face coverings. So from tomorrow onwards, it's going to be your personal choice whether you want to wear a face mask during driving lessons, theory test, and on your driving test. So just to recap on that, candidates will no longer have to let us know if they cannot wear a face covering in advance of their driving test from the 1st of March. This applies to bookings you make on behalf of your people. That's the instructors making the test bookings on behalf of the people. Our examiners can also make a personal choice to wear a face covering if they wish. Face coverings continue to be a personal choice for you and your pupils during driving lessons in England. So basically, it's up to you whether you want to wear a face mask or not, and also with your instructor. Driving test ending early. So from the 1st of March, again from tomorrow onwards, driving examiners will no longer end test early, and they can continue after the candidate has committed a serious or dangerous fault to give them the full test experience. Tests will only be terminated early if a driving examiner assesses the candidate's driving is so poor it risks the safety and that of other road users. This is in line with pre-COVID-19 policy. So let me just quickly explain this. Before COVID kicked in, if you made a mistake in the first 5 minutes of your driving test, you would have the full driving test experience. They would make you complete the test route, come back, give you the result. When COVID kicked in, they decided that they don't want to spend too much time in the car with the people unnecessarily. So if you failed your test in the first 5 minutes during COVID, you came back to the test in the back to the test center in the first 5 minutes, which I thought was unfair because you paid for the time, and I personally thought the people needed that experience for the second time round on a driving test. So now it's gone back to normal, where if you failed your driving test, you will still complete the test route. So cleanliness of the vehicle. We will no longer be cancelling driving tests if inside the vehicle is not clean. However, we continue to encourage you to clean and tidy the inside of your vehicle when presenting it for a driving test in line with good hygiene. It will be optional for examiners to wipe down surfaces in test vehicles or ventilate these vehicles during driving tests. Again, before COVID, they just jumped in, done the driving test. When COVID kicked in, they disinfected everywhere, basically. The touch points, the door handles, dashboards, seat belts, gear stick. That's what the examiner did before driving test on COVID. And they had the windows down either side, so good ventilation came into the car. It's now optional from the examiner's point of view. I can still see some of the examiners still doing this, which I fully understand and respect, to be fair. So I can understand that's still going to be going on. They would like you as a pupil to still do a COVID test 5 days before your test, so lateral flow before your test. And they also encourage you, if you don't feel well on the day of your driving test, to rearrange it. You won't lose your fee if you did that, but obviously you're going to lose the slot you had booked. And I can't see many pupils giving up their slot if they don't feel unwell, unless it's really, really, really serious on that. I would just say use some common sense on that. And also, instructors can now sit in the back of the car again. So we are lifting the restrictions on ADIs and accompanied drivers to sitting on the driving test from the 1st of March, again, which is tomorrow. At the time of filming. This means that driving examiners will ask your pupil if they want someone to sit in the back of the car during the test, be with them for the result and feedback. So let me just quickly explain this if you haven't taken a driving test before. At the beginning of a driving test, after you do the checks and sign the declaration, your examiner will ask you, would you like your instructor to accompany you on your driving test? And if you say yes, we'll be allowed to sit in the back of the car. During COVID, this was not allowed. And I've got a few tests coming up over the next couple of weeks, and trust me, I can't wait to sit in the back of a car again, to actually see a test take place, see the test routes, and see how the people react. So I'm really looking forward to that side of things. And that's basically it. So as from tomorrow, basically your driving test goes back to what it was before COVID. So I would just like to wish everybody good luck with their driving tests coming up. And if you've got a theory test book, I would like to wish you all the best with that as well. I'm Dorian from Dorian Think to Success, and I will see you in the next video.